Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is a weekly plan with me in my catch-all planner, but I also wanted to share with you guys some tips that I do in order to make my planner very functional and very easy to use. So first things first is I always have a planner pouch. So this planner pouch goes everywhere with me. It actually needs to be cleaned. As you can see, I've thrown it around. I don't really all the way care about keeping it pristine. It's just more about the function. And inside I keep my stickers, my functional stickers that I use, which all of these are from my shop, and I will tell you later on about the kit that I have with these. And I also have highlighters, pens, whiteout, post-it notes, like sticky tabs, anything that I would need in a planning session. This way I can plan wherever I am. So I like to keep that on me and keep that in my bag, and then I also have my planner with me. So as we flip it open, I'm going to flip open to the current week that we are planning, which is the third week in February. Yeah, so it's gonna be the third week in February, and it is the 17th through the 23rd. And I do like to use the same type of stickers every single time that I plan. So much so that I decided to make a sticker kit just for like my functional stickers. And that kit is going to include the colorful boxes, which I use every single week. I also use my weather stickers, so that's also going to be in the kit. My YouTube stickers will always be there, and also my reading stickers. So because I use these every single week and you guys usually ask about them, I decided to make a sticker kit in my shop just for these stickers. It's just for these 4 types of stickers. And if you are interested in this set to where you can get the reading stickers, the YouTube stickers, the colorful boxes, and the weather stickers, then make sure that you check out the description box below. I will have a link to them there. The first thing we're going to use is the colorful boxes. I like to use colorful boxes in order to kind of keep track of any appointments that I have or anything that I need to highlight on a particular day. So usually I will look at my calendar, I will look at any appointments, and then I will mark them off with a colorful box sticker. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I also have a next week column on the week before. I have it in this section here. So this helps me know the different things that I need to mark off on my planner. So I like to refer back to it. So now that I have put boxes in every area where I have an appointment throughout the course of the week, the next thing that I'm going to do is add the weather stickers at the top. I like to look at the weather app on my phone and see what the weather is going to be like next week. So once I pull it up, then I am just checking what the weather is going to be like this week and adding the icons at the very top. So next week we are going to have some rain, and me marking it down in my planner just helps me to remember to make sure that I pack an umbrella. And I look at my planner every night to prepare for the next day, so this really does help me out a lot. The next thing I'm going to do is work on my sidebar. I like to add a next week section on my sidebar, and usually I'll add a quick to-do list. But I haven't been using my to-do list, so I think I'm going to add a next week section up here and then a reading sticker down here just to mark down what I am currently reading. And the last thing that I'm going to do is mark at the top my YouTube videos that will post next week. So the goal next week is to post every day except for Mondays and Saturdays. And that's all the stickers that I'm going to use in the spread. So each one of the stickers that I put down will be in the set that's included in my Etsy shop. So like I said, if you are interested in that entire set, which is the weather stickers, the YouTube stickers, the colorful boxes, and the reading stickers, just check out the description box. I will have a link to it there. So now I'm going to pull out my pen. This is the Papermate Inkjoy 0.7 pen, and I'm going to write in all of my plans for this week. Okay, so this is all of my planning pretty much written in, and basically it's kind of like pre-planning because I do go in the night before and go into way more detail, but I like to kind of pre-plan the entire week just so I kind of have an overview, and then I'll do more details as the week goes on. The first thing I've done on the side here is kind of jot down what's going on next week, so I have that on my radar. At the bottom here I have written down what I am reading. Usually I like to start off with when I started a book and what I am reading, and then I will jot down when I finished it. Last week I was reading a fictional book called The Wedding Date. I started it on the 11th and I ended it on the 13th, and then I started I Am My Brand on Saturday the 15th. So I'll probably be reading that this week. And usually with nonfiction books, it takes me a little bit longer, like a week to 2 weeks to get through them, because I like to, highlight a bunch more stuff. I'm writing in the book because I'm more reading those for educational purposes instead of just for fun like I do with the fictional books. So I'm probably going to be reading this for about the next 2 weeks, and then I'll switch over to another fictional book. I've marked down at the top here when my YouTube videos are going to be posted for this week, and then I have just jotted down my time blocking for filming, for when I'm going to be working in the shop on orders, and when I have work, different things that I need to do for work. I have an Apple appointment for my computer on Tuesday, so I jotted that down here. And then I have client meetings and conference calls, and we are doing a parade. If you don't know, I live in New Orleans, and so right now it's Mardi Gras season, so we are doing a crew of friends is what we're calling it, and we're basically going to be parade hopping on Friday with the kids. So that's going to be fun, and I jotted that down here so that I know, that's when we're doing that. And that's basically it for this week. As you can see, I keep it very simple, and it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to do this entire process. I know a lot of times when I'm talking to people, they feel as though planning is just too difficult for them. It's going to take up too much time. They don't have time to do this, but I wanted to show how this entire process really does not take me that long, especially when I'm not trying to be super decorative and I use the same type of stickers for the same purposes every single time that I do it. Just to show you a quick overview of last week, this is pretty much how every week looks for me now. I still have the weather stickers at the top, which are very helpful, and then I write in red throughout the course of the week so that I know what exactly has happened or changed over the course of my plans, and I can pre-plan better the very next week. So that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it very informative as you are planning out your week, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at The Organized Money, and I will see you guys later. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.